Assalamu alaikum dear doctors. In this video I am discussing about cough causes, the different causes of cough. First, Chinese stroke breathing. The list include left ventricular failure, increase the intracranial pressure, brain stimulation and narcotic overdose. This causes cough. Next, reduce the chest expansion. The causes include emphysema, bronchial asthma, diffuse pulmonary fibrosis and ankylosing spondylitis. Next list is increase the vocal frequency that causes cough. These are consolidation, cavitation, collapse with patient main bronchus. And decrease the vocal frequency including pleural effusion, pneumothorax, collapse with obstructed main bronchus. I am again repeating the cough causes. Number 1, Chinese stroke breathing. These are left ventricular failure, increased intracranial pressure, brain stimulation and narcotic overdose. And reduced chest expansion. These include emphysema, bronchial asthma, diffuse pulmonary fibrosis and ankylosing spondylitis. Increase the vocal frequency including consolidation, cavitation, collapse with patent main bronchus. And decrease vocal frequency including pleural effusion, pneumothorax and collapse with obstructed main bronchus.